Hello and welcome to another edition of the program.
We are.
Today we'll get plenty of things then for talk about like always. But if you're new to the channel, please now for press the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so anytime when we post something, you go able for see them. If you like this video, please now for press the like button. What do you think about the things that we discuss? Let your comments below. So we all lovely subscribers them. We want for tell una thank you for una always done a big part of the program. We appreciate una. And we want to tell una say we glad that we don't pass with first 100 from when we begin this program, but 1 month back. We appreciate una. It's small, but we really appreciate una thank you. But then we go to the program proper one. Inside the program today,
after we Parliament don't pass order, say let the Director General of NATCOM resume back na in office. Now the Minister of Information and NATCOM challenge this decision, say no, it not the work.
The Financial Intelligence Unit, FIU, don't say the Chief Minister not get any corruption case for answer to. This and plenty other things then they for you inside the program. But no go non-side. My name na Ali UCC.
And me na Usman Justin.
Well, the first thing we will begin to talk about today, when we talk about corruption, if person thief na street, you know, if person young man pickpocket and they beat and say they want killer, yeah. But if person na office thief, what thing they happen? Okay, we find out say over the years when you know corruption perception index they come up, now police them, now they can say corrupt as all man. But we find out say the warding them, the traffic warding themselves don't begin to take over. I don't know if now some virus they don't get from the police.
Well, the problem, Brother Ali, you know, let me go this way now we had. When somebody do something, you know, let him face what he do. You know, we don't watch one incident where happen now we had where they say some teachers them take bribe, then put them in a country tree, then punish them. The whole world see them. Some man happy, some man not happy. You understand? If things they go so, that genuine is nice. Because sometimes when I can be in a squad, you get the good one them, you get the bad one them. But that bad one, we not allow they can cover the good one them. Why would they talk this thing from them? As me brother they talk now, we get one video na we can show now. We want traffic warden collect bribe. But we don't know the right side na tongue where he do this. But we can't play the video. Let us see how we tonight. And the way he do this thing, he do it for more or less the one old traffic warden department. Because you know they go the middle of the street like that one day, you go collect bribe, you take you and you put them behind you back. But then give money for them, not knowing that somebody then a vehicle with a video am.
Okay, no, una just watch waiting.
Now watch the video.
Okay, if you say this now like in cup full of, like when they go say God come on before you, it can't be any. All man is
I tell you.
Because on earth we don't see, you know, in secret, in hiding, police officer them or even then company traffic warden, then they get people the way they go run give them money in a corner side. Then they put but in this God come be in a middle street and they do and so. Anyway, traffic warden, if they forgive award for this year.
No, not to award, my brother, not to award. For me, I recommend na the Sierra Leone Road Safety Authority. This particular awarding, we don't show a picture. Na the screen here, the authority need for take action against them.
We don't know a name, but on a Sabian. if una see this, una will know.
Of course, they sabi. They need for take action against that. If not, it dey give stain to the Sierra Leone Road Safety Authority.
Anyway, now the word that too. My lieutenant don't talk. We still inside the issue of this corruption business. Now Radio Democracy 98.1. The director of the Financial Intelligence Unit, Khadija Bangura, be asked him waiting at the present status of the chief minister with regards to the allegation where this journalist Salit Janjalo be come up with, where they say he gets this account na EcoBank where he know for explain and other things them where they come up.
On Thursday in the evening, now I text the chief minister based on an intelligence with an investigation being mounted by the Financial Intelligence Unit. At Thursday, I send the text to the chief minister. I say, please, sir, I say, as a journalist, I say, I follow up and if we, the Financial Intelligence Unit, they investigate about you in an account, they discover, say, about $1.5 million, they will share this account and they ask some questions in relation to this money. You tell them, say, this money they send for you from overseas. I said, and but the Financial Intelligence Unit, according to the intelligence, then discover say this money they put my account on diverse dates. So I even ask any question, say, if you ever get an account in EcoBank.
Well, the Director General or the Director of Financial Intelligence Unit be in brief talk to 98.1. Let me listen what he say.
The bank then they send away the transactions there. Then they send away the transactions there. So we first look now within our own system for see if any of them kind of transaction they occur. We check in our system, we not see any record on that. We go to the bank physically, then go assess and examine the system. We not see any transaction with a report about chief minister or any accounts with EcoBank. So then the second component of that investigation was the alleged with staff or with secretary, Miss Personal Secretary and Miss Executive Assistant, in leak information. We call the journalist. I call her 2-3 times, make it go tell we how he get this link FIU to information. He not agree for go. It's a make we go through a lawyer. We write to the lawyer not allow the man for come. But in a nutshell, we do your internal investigation. We don't see any credibility on that information.
So I don't drop the investigation.
We don't drop her.
Well, find out. No case. Then find out no case.
No case just like that.
This now weird. Things they happen. But remember the last time we been telling us say, even before the director they come out to this year, the caretaker at the yard, been on all the investigation them and they don't put them down.
Let me tell you one thing. We always talk this. We always talk this now with presentation them. You understand? You know, one thing for sure where the Hamburg we had, now it still they go through. You remember one day I tell you now I say we had on left, if you know they na the cabal, you know they survive. But as long as you don't na the cabal, whatever bad thing you do, the only word way they defeat everybody now order from the above. And this night on point we had. Because how on earth an issue like this they just come up, we just sleep and wake, then tell we say no case.
If case not there.
So what really they go on now we had. Let we assume say tomorrow, if other person don't do something to a big past this, don't then do under bed investigation. By the time Sunday come up, then go tell me back say no case.
No case.
Go left back.
No case.
Okay, now we had no case.
No case.
But if I'm this,
you know link na
no case. Once you know then at the cabal, no case. If you not belong, no case.
No. If you belong.
If you belong, no case. If you not belong, case. Order from the above.
Anyway, director, I see with the struggle, I feel you. With the struggle for explain my secretary and personal secretary and we go now EcoBank
No, but two know they hide For real, true, not the hide. Let me tell you one thing. When you address the nation, don't you lie. You not ask for no. You don't suppose you know ever the nobody is stomach. Just for cover up something, for explain something, because you don't want to talk the truth. Where they save people them. You know, sometimes if I know they talk the truth, it don't mean nothing. No engat say, because you didn't have this seat today, where something up we talk the truth, then the issue is sometimes suffer for certain thing where they able to take your credibility up there.
Okay. You remember in the early 2000, we've been getting one musical group with them called Extra O.
Ah, me brother.
Then get one song where them been doing. Then a big wait for, and then they make we come to call. Una want them all, let them make man then recall. Don't listen this music small, they come back this long.
And they make we country fun. Una want them all, let them catch man then crop. Then a big wait for, and then they make we all lick run. Una tell them all, let them make man then recall. Baby, why we country? The big one and then all busy. Politician, they want kill we. Now that now go can free we. Then they take them well we country. They make man then sleep na pantry. They for it or in a bus hungry. Eh, salon we sorry. I remember Revo. The two should be the demo. They talk say elect then kill we. Elect na stone them in the Gali. But them all go villa. And their family go see them. If they still pass to no minerals, one day no go make them mineral. I go you move by you. They like you still they make move babu. Stop the go you move go wawa. And I know go you move and make me country fun. Now one them no let them no catch one them crop up. Then a big wait for. And then they make me all lick run.
Small about this man. We recall it. Remember them days and they remember.
So man don't remember far.
Anyway, now the same thing they go on. Government in, government out, government in. Let God sorry for we. Now let we go to Parliament. We been only talk something about Parliament. Emerson been sing one time, he say, where big man want in respect. Not put up and small picking in food. Why are they talk this? Plenty time them day, even in the past regime, till now. This same Emerson been sing about brown envelope. Me and a person we been in a parliament to watch how things then they go on. Plenty times then day, you see then committee then a parliament, then oversight committee, go just come out 1-2 people and they run go down to the minister then. Go begin load themselves, funny themselves they for let them get small thing. Or for let them get travel. Now this thing don't come.
Brami Bobo day.
Ministers them know they take order. Why will they say this? If you dey between the Director General of NATCOM, the NATCOM board, and the Information Minister, for sake of query no query, Parliament interfere and look into this issue. And when Parliament invites the Minister of Information, invites the board of NATCOM, and invites the Director General where they suspend. Guess waiting. The Director General because they then suspend, and they look for that they help him, he go. The minister and the board, because they not they look for that for help them, then feel say them very powerful, they don't go. Let me listen to this quick one. Now, where they been at the committee room.
We are very concerned about the manner in which the DG was suspended, and we thought we should look at the matter. The other people, because of guilt, have refused to turn up. We have listened to the DG. I am personally satisfied with his explanation. Thank you. And I think that in the future, we may have to call him again with other people who are related to this manner. We have done this first, we have taken this first step. So what we are doing now is to give instructions through our own clerk here and through Mr. Speaker that the Director General return to his workplace with immediate effect. It is starting now.
Well, to a letter dated 9th December 2019 from the Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of Information and Communications that led to the suspension of the Director General by another letter dated 18th December 2019 from the Chairman of the Board of the Commission. The committee views these actions as violation of Section 10 of the National Telecommunication Act of 2006. The committee therefore resolved that the Director General be reinstated with immediate effect, and all future matters in relation to the issue be discussed later. By violation of the aforementioned section of the Constitution and the National Telecommunication Act of 2006, further actions should be taken by Parliament. Signed, Honorable Ibrahim Benkaku.
Now, after this, I follow this particular thing on Black TV Online. Thank you very much, my brother. You do a very good job. We find out now, say, on the 6th of this January, word or letter come back from the board, say, the Director General for hand over all in property them, where it gets for NATCO. Even after when the Parliament don't say they for reinstate that particular person. And Parliament say, they violate Section 10 of the 2006 NATCOM Act. Where say NATCOM for be independent and no person or authority not for control them. Can you imagine the challenge now from the minister and NATCOM board over this issue?
So, Famule, we don't know. Now this we did talk. And una help we talk. If they're not tired, we no good tire. How you go just sit on a young corner? Una listen, no. After we Parliament sit down, they make decision say this person for take over the office back. Don't you single-handedly challenge that particular authority. They say no. So we not able to know Parliament and the minister who that gets power passing company.
Well, the minister and the president, the caretaker, they appoint them. Parliament are the people them. And Parliament gets this committee on information where they say oversight committee. Now then they look over the minister, the ministry, MDAs and agencies there so. So by rights they're supposed to be answerable again. So Parliament, when Parliament want to know something, they for go answer to Parliament and certain decision in there where Parliament need for take. But as it is now, they're not listening to Parliament anymore. But like I begin say, I think say some of them they don't sell their respect to some of their ministers there. So now the reason this way make it they go like
no, me man not facing reality. Self-respect, no self-respect. To me, I just feel say, you know, now this thing of the same cabalo they talk about. Order from the above. You know, we are not left today. Anybody will get business for do it. We caretaker. You know they want to take control. Now any side where they put on, be it minister or any officer in there. If even he go there under somebody in that particular office, they, as long as he take and say, he get one-on-one talk with we caretaker, he'll accept you they talk to him. He no go take.
See, now
this is not point we are.
Look at the arms of government. So they begin legislature. You come to the executive before you go to the judiciary. 3 arms of government, eh?
Of course.
The legislature in our parliament, now the supreme law-making body now we had. Before you come to the executive where the president furnishes or the caretaker, then you get the judiciary. So, if they want they are now, the executive not they take waiting from them. Remember say, the legislature, when a parliament, now the people them they represent. But, see no more now. See no more now with Alec. No left there. No no waste energy for them. Let's go to the next issue of the day.
Chief Sansumana, today, we understand say he don't go finally na APC.
So to the people of Sierra Leone, me, Sansumana, don't come back na APC party.
Correct.
I want to tell the chairman and leader, Dr. Anes Baikroma, President Anes Baikroma, and the entire executive of the APC winner NAC, and the entire membership for welcoming me back into the APC. And I know say that work we I will not start, I will continue.
But the go where Chief Sansumana go, he look the doubts we na we had. Because it look like say Chief Sansumana all with two hand. He all with APC, he all with C4C. Now we don't understand say the national chairman for C4C. He don't put two behind the parliamentarian there. Now parliament where they represent C4C. Meaning, anyone pan them will not do what they want for let them do. Then get one side and they can't look at the constitution.
77K.
77K.
You see, this particular clause inside the constitution, and one of the things in this way make a feel say, they make we country they be more political than development. We think more party than national interest. Until we pull this 77K now with constitution, we go to think party, not to the country.
Of course, because this 77K, it don't unblock the whole issue.
What thing they talk about?
Well,
it say 77K, if you party, you as member of parliament, if you know they do what you party want, na parliament, by your voting or sitting, the party chairman suppose for right to the speaker of the house, for let them pull you come out.
But how they self go sit down, they make them, because now they sit down make them lawyer.
1991.
You know?
Now the selfish
honorable, now somebody where people they vote for. Now that me understand. I don't know.
But we see say the member of parliament and the day in the party interest than the people interest. Let's see waiting this how this come about. The chairman for C4C say any member of parliament, when are the own member of parliament, will go contrary to waiting them as the party they begin set as agenda na parliament, then they make sure say them pull them. Ha ha, good one. Ha ha, 77K. But I'll tell you something. 77K, except otherwise. If this particular 77K one I want invoke, if that particular member of parliament they in the interest of SLPP, una no go ever succeed. If they in the interest of APC, una will succeed. What make I talk? SLPP na then get the speaker. Now, let me make it clear in the level playground. In Anes Baikroma in regime, Charles Maga used this against Legacy Sanko. He writes several, letters to the speaker of the house. He holds several press conference for letting go pull Legacy Sanko because by then we all know say if they carry the slogan the pan yai. But it not ever happen because it may support the interest of APC. And APC been get a majority and APC been get the speaker. So by no way, and the speaker and I no more get the right for call that particular things they for out and the well of parliament for let them discuss and vote for pull am or for let it stay. So you see the drama?
It's not a problem.
77K will only survive if that particular member of parliament stay, they support the minority. If they support the majority, no way.
Now 0.0.
And what if you understand? Sansumana, they play game.
A player.
Sansumana don't really go physically.
Ronaldo.
Na APC. But he don't left bands. He make sure say all the one they were in executive, na C4C, na in main mandate. So for any time, when APC shake param, it can
return. This is not
and when it can give APC tough time, na cornerback, na that time plan. Well, let me see now if the people go get for support, Sansumana or not. Don't let family today. I remember you back. If you like this video, now give it thumbs up. If you not subscribe it, not just watch and go. Please subscribe, press the notification bell, yeah? And what you think about things that we don't talk. And what you feel are the way forward. Now for left you comment below, yeah? We appreciate everything. Thank you very much for we be part of this particular program.
And before they left una today, I go just left for tell una this. We had una be no say we dey left with videos them Saturday to Saturday. But it's like the way how things then they go now, things they don't dey boku now we earn. So now we get the opportunity for the receive with videos them 2 times a week.
On Wednesdays
and Saturday.
So until we meet back, me na Ali Usise
and me na Usman Justin.